The Renault Clio IV, produced from 2012 to 2019, features steering wheel buttons for managing audio, communication, and cruise control. These buttons enhance safety and convenience by allowing drivers to operate key functions without taking their hands off the wheel. Dedicated buttons control audio functions on the Renault Clio IV steering wheel. These include volume up and down for adjusting sound levels. Next and previous track buttons allow skipping songs or radio stations quickly. Source selection buttons switch between radio, CD, and aux inputs. These controls integrate seamlessly with the car's infotainment system, either R-Link or MediaNav, for a unified audio experience. The steering wheel buttons on the Renault Clio IV enable hands-free communication and phone management. Use the call, accept, and reject buttons to handle incoming calls from Bluetooth-paired devices. Some models include a dedicated voice activation button for accessing contacts or activating voice commands. Cruise control and speed limiter buttons on the Renault Clio IV allow drivers to maintain a constant speed without keeping their foot on the accelerator. These features are commonly found on mid-range trims like the Dynamique and GT line. The steering wheel features dedicated buttons for cruise control functions. The on-off button engages or disengages the system. To engage cruise control, press the on button when driving above 30 km per hour. The system will maintain your current speed. Press off to disengage the system at any time. Use the set button to establish your desired speed while the system is engaged. After braking or disengaging, press resume to return to your previously set speed. The cruise control system uses sensors and actuators to automatically adjust the throttle and maintain speed. This enhances driver comfort and safety during long journeys by reducing fatigue. The steering wheel buttons on the Renault Clio IV are designed with ergonomics in mind. They are backlit for night visibility, ensuring drivers can see and use them safely in low light conditions. The buttons are designed for intuitive use with tactile feedback, allowing drivers to operate them by feel without looking away from the road. The standardized layout minimizes the learning curve, with buttons positioned consistently for easy access to essential functions like audio and cruise control. The steering wheel buttons on the Renault Clio IV are generally reliable, with an average lifespan exceeding 200,000 kilometers before showing significant wear. Steering wheel buttons on the Renault Clio IV are generally reliable, with an average lifespan exceeding 200,000 kilometers before showing significant wear. Common issues include wear from frequent use, potentially leading to unresponsiveness. Statistics show that button wear affects 25% of Clio IV units over 150,000 kilometers. Additionally, a 2025 recall addressed faulty button wiring, causing intermittent failures in cruise control systems. Replacement parts are widely available from Renault dealerships and online retailers, with prices ranging from €20 to €50 per button set. While Renault discontinued official software support for the Clio IV around 2020, aftermarket solutions have emerged to keep the vehicle modern. These upgrades integrate Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the original steering wheel buttons, allowing hands-free voice commands and navigation. The steering wheel controls in the Renault Clio IV represent a transitional phase in automotive design. As technology advances, these physical buttons are giving way to more advanced digital interfaces. In the Clio IV, physical buttons handle essential functions like audio controls, phone integration, and cruise control. This design prioritizes safety and convenience, but it's now seen as outdated compared to modern systems. Several key trends are shaping the future. Touchscreens are becoming dominant, with surveys showing 65% of European drivers prefer them over buttons. Voice commands and gesture controls are integrating with AI assistants like Google Assistant. Additionally, electric vehicle adoption is reducing the need for traditional buttons as cars become more autonomous. Looking ahead, future Renault models are moving toward holographic displays, advanced voice commands, and autonomous driving interfaces. Steering wheels may even retract in self-driving cars, eliminating the need for physical controls entirely. For the Clio IV specifically, these trends indicate obsolescence. As electric vehicles become more prevalent, the model's physical button design will be phased out, making aftermarket upgrades increasingly necessary for modern connectivity.